This video shows the latest updates to the chat feature. It will cover the following topics. 1. Writing longer messages will not change or make the scroll to appear, which would affect the user ability to interact with the brief message control, which allows operations like delete or other operations which might be added in the future. The behavior is tested for two users, the sender of the message and the recipient of the message. The error you receive, it was a transient error, because as you will notice, this video is the result of multiple screen recordings since I have to fix some of the issues I had while making the video. As mentioned in the previous post, I created a control which will display the names of the participants and the option to remove them from the conversation. The removal is done only at the GUI level, which means that if we start the application, we will see the users still be displayed when we select the conversation from which we previously deleted the users. I haven't implemented the code for database deletion because of the other things shown in this video, which in my opinion are more important to be as part of this proof of concept. The addition of the users to conversation can be seen at the end of this video because I had to code again how the pop-up will open and close for this feature. 3. Checking for older messages and retrieving them. Most of the chat application I am using are using the wheel of the mouse to retrieve older messages, but I have chosen the button because, as I said before, I am copying code from one place to another in order to create usable proof of concept. I am doing this because those are just placeholders or entry points to a specific functionality. Of course, that in the future they can be changed or improved visually. The button is paired with a progress bar that shows messages are still retrieving and with a tooltip to let the user know which messages will be loaded, the time span. When no older messages are available for the conversation, then the button is hidden. 4. Checking for older messages using scroll up. 5. Selecting messages and copy them to clipboard and paste them in chat. 6. Selecting messages that spawn over multiple windows, meaning we scroll down or up. 7. Creating a new CMV and waiting for its propagation without restarting the application.